4211 Dairy Farm Road. We have almost complete construction in here. We still have a little bit of stuff left to do, but as you can see, the floors are now in, the walls are now painted, except for some touch-ups. And the kitchen is all in, it's beautiful. It just needs a real good cleanup. That'll be completed when we're totally done with everything else. We still have a little bit more to go, but this house is ready for contract. Look at the granite countertops. Place up here to all kinds of possibilities. And of course, all open. Place for bar stools, fireplace, the whole thing. We're now walking into the master bedroom. This will be the walk-in closet when it's completed. We have shelving still to put in here. We use pocket doors, by the way, makes things a little bit easier. And of course, little entryway, box ceiling with fans, 4 recessed lights. You will have blinds in this house when it's done, so you don't have to worry about completing anything with blinds. And then the gorgeous bathroom. Look at that bathroom. Double vanity, real wood cabinets. The mirrors are designed to come off if you want to replace. The towel holders, they will be painted to match the wall. We do that so they don't just come off. Handicap toilet because it sits up higher. But look at this shower. Look at this shower. Gorgeous. It needs to be cleaned. You have a bench, all glass front. It drops like rain from the top. You have 2 shower heads off to the side. That operates them. All custom tile, all designed to be walked in. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Bedroom number 2. Box ceiling with fan. Closets. This will be bedroom number 3. Again, box ceilings. Double door walking into your closet. Hall bathroom. Full bathroom. Vanity. It'll even have a blowout shower bar. Once we're completed, we'll get that installed. This will be your laundry room. Designed to take the latest and greatest. Has your built-in cabinets. The garage, sorry about the mess, but once this is completed, the walls will be painted, the floors will be cleaned and stained. That's right, we're going to seal the floors up. We vent the garage doors, as you can see, but we also have a man cave, ladies cave built into this with wood board, so you can hang all your goodies, tools, whatnots, and keep it totally away from the vehicles on this side. We're here at the power panel in the garage. This home is equipped with a generator hookup. This is your emergency power coming into the house. You would flip it and it would automatically flip the main power coming off into the house. That way you can have a portable generator hookup and have all your 110s throughout your house, your refrigerator, lights, food, radio, TV, everything powered up. And here is the receptacle plug for your emergency generator. We provide the cord, so all you have to do is plug it in here and plug the other end to your generator. This house is equipped with a full shut-off manifold system, meaning this shuts your entire water off to your house. No more going outside trying to dig up into the ground to shut your water off. Each faucet throughout the house, inside or outside, with hot or cold, these are the shut-off valves to turn them off. So, you got a leaky faucet, just come over here, turn it, shut it off, and then fix it at your convenience. That's it. This is just a small tour of this home. Now, this house does incorporate foam. We no longer do blow in the attic. We now foam up underneath the roof deck. And what that allows us to do is to make this house more energy efficient. For more information on this house, please let us know. Call us, contact us, and ask for a tour. The number's on the screen, and we look forward to talking to you soon.